Hello guys, and this is Francesca. I'm here to talk to you about searching for academic paper. This video is particularly important to current students and future researchers. I'll be showing you a practical illustration on how to get the most current and most useful relevant academic paper. Let's begin. Now, if you're looking for academic paper, all you have to do is go onto Google and then type your Google Scholar, okay? Once you type for your Google Scholar, you open Google Scholar, you should have this page. Now, it's very imperative when searching for academic paper, you search using the right keywords. For this particular illustration, we will be using the keyword for digital business transformation strategy. So let's say a student is trying to write a project on digital business transformation strategy for SME. It's very important that you use the keywords when searching for your paper. What would you do next is just type digital business transformation strategy, right? And then you click on search. Now you have this page open right before you. The very important thing for you to do when you emerge at this particular page is to do custom range. Custom range is so that you are able to get the most recent academic article in this particular subject. Given that as student, it is very crucial that the academic article or the resources you use to build upon your work are recent and up to date. And in academic in general, they advise students to use a paper nothing less than 10 years ago. So what would you do here is type 2010 to 2020 and then you type search. What this does is automatically it shows you articles that have been written between 2010 and 2020. So guys, let me say something here before we continue. As a student, some of the sources for your academic articles or academic resources are your library source is a very good place to start. That is your library portal, your university library portal. Alternatively, you can come online to search. There are several online platforms where you can find relevant academic paper. Google Scholar is only used for this particular demonstration. In the future, if you want to look for academic articles, I'll tell you some of those. You can find academic article in platforms such as Elsevier. Okay, Elsevier is a very good place to search for academic articles. This is where you get your academic articles. So that's what you should see. Or you can go all the way back again. Another place to do is AIS Library. So you can always look for AIS Library as well. So it gives you all of the paper concerning that. Another place to search is Spring. I'm not sure I spell it very well. So academic articles. So spring journals, you can always get them from here as well, or you can always get on something again. I'm not sure why this is not secure. That is not what I'm looking for. There's this particular one called Springer. That is the one, Springer, guys. This is what you're looking for, Springer and not Spring. And then there's another one again which provide top-notch papers, and that's called IEEE. Yes, so IEEE. These are some of the most influential and relevant sources for your academic paper. Now let's move on back to Google Scholar. Google Scholar is it's also a reliable source for academic articles. The problem with Google Scholar, or should I say the limitation with Google Scholar, is that not all the papers are already certified by the relevant agency. So individuals can perhaps produce or publish their papers on Google Scholar. So you want to really look for those that have really gone through the scrutiny and have been certified relevant for academic use. So now let's say you have searched for your paper and it's between 2010 to 2020, as you can see right here. The next thing to do is begin your download or read. Before you download, I really encourage students to check the relevance of the paper. You do not check relevance of the paper just by the title or the topic. Some of the title and topic may be misleading. Therefore, it is advisable to review the paper before you download. Another way to ascertain the the reliability of a paper is by going through the author. So there are certain authors who are professionals in specific subject area, like you have Ketchen Liu in organizational semiotics, and you have Venkatesh in technology acceptance and use. So every field have professionals who write and provide up-to-date material. So it's important that you search using their names. Alternatively, you can just do what we're about to do now. So that will be, you right click and you open on a different page. The reason why you're opening at a different page or a different tab is so that you can review the relevance, and then you have this page to go and search again. Now you go on here, what you're looking for is the background and basic understanding in some paper that's called introduction, and then you're looking for the conclusion, which will be just before your reference. Okay, so now another way to look for, let's search another paper. That is one paper. Let's search for this one, right? So this one again would sometimes they will take you to a different platform. Just follow the instructions, but sometimes they provide you this paper just on the first click. So again, this is ResearchGate. It's another platform for academic papers. So let's click on that. So you click on that. That is from AIS Electronic Library, all right? And you can check the abstract and the introduction and the conclusion. Where are you? Conclusion, right there. So these are the aspects or the section of the paper that you should review first to ascertain the reliability of that paper before you continue to download or to use it for your work. Now, if you want to download this paper, most times, depending on your system, all you have to do is right click, right? So sometimes right click works, or sometimes you can just press the download button and you can just download it straight into your computer. Well, I hope that works, guys. Make sure you try it on. Just try and download one paper, try and review one paper, try and search for one academic paper, and don't forget to share your feedback with us on Aspire Student Hub Facebook group page. Well done, guys, and have a nice and a beautiful day. Take care and bye bye for now.